Staff Selection Commission is an organization under the government to recruit staff for various posts in ministries and departments of the Government of India. SSC CGL Tier 2 is the main exam which is conducted by SSC for the recruitment of undergraduates for posts at ministries and various government departments. Today, we will talk about SSC CGL Tier 2 exam for various government jobs. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and this is Youth for Work. If you want to know the eligibility, exam pattern and tips to crack the SSC CGL Tier 2 exam, then you must watch the playlist till the end. Now let us talk about the eligibility criteria for SSC CGL Tier 2 exam. The general age limit for SSC CGL Tier 2 exam is 20 to 32 years. For SCs or STs, there is a relaxation in the upper age limit by 5 years, and for OBC candidates, it is 3 years. Candidates must have a graduation degree in any discipline from a recognized university. Now we will discuss the exam pattern for SSC CGL Tier 2 exam. The exam will be conducted in online mode. SSC CGL Tier 2 exam includes a total of 4 sections: Statistics, Quantitative Aptitude, English Language and General Studies. Each section consists of 100 objective type questions with time duration of 2 hours. General Studies mainly covers topics like finance and economics. The questions will be of multiple choice and contain negative marking for every wrong attempt. Each question carries 2 marks and 1/4 of mark will be deducted for each wrong answer. The English language section contains 200 objective type questions of 1 mark each. The link of the entire syllabus is given in the description below. Now let us talk about a few tips and tricks for the SSC CGL Tier 2 exam so that you may crack it. Make a practical timetable and prepare according to it. Write and practice formulas for quantitative aptitude. Practice sample papers or previous year papers. Read newspaper editorials regularly to improve your English. Youth for Work provides Prep Guru app for free mock test. Use it for regular practice. The link of the app is given in the description below.